that's another experience I've had with angels. I really didn't like all of these different experiences. I just didn't think about it. I was like, oh yeah, that night I got carbon monoxide poisoning and survived. But like that doesn't happen. People don't survive carbon monoxide poisoning. By the time I made it to the hospital and they took my blood oxygen levels, they said I was less than a minute from death. And that was like driving 20 minutes to the hospital. So like I was basically on death's doorstep that night. I'll tell you the story. So I had a heater. I was living in that cabin in the woods because I was like trying to get back to heaven, realized I couldn't. But at that point I had a heater and it was like kind of a cool night, but it was like March or April in Louisiana. Did I really need my heater on? It seems random. I had a dream about getting carbon monoxide poisoning 5 days before this all happened.